Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, managing complex products from design to delivery requires a powerful system. SAP PLM simplifies Enterprise Product Lifecycle Management. Let's break it down. SAP PLM centralizes product data, designs, and processes in one platform. You can manage engineering changes, track development progress, and collaborate across departments and suppliers efficiently. Its analytics and integration with SAP's ERP ecosystem give teams real-time insights, helping businesses reduce errors, speed up product launches, and maintain quality throughout the cycle. SAP PLM makes product lifecycle management clear, streamlined, and scalable for enterprise of all sizes. If you want to simplify product lifecycle management in 2025, SAP PLM gives your teams control, efficiency, and insight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.